welcome to my channel. My name is Sagarika and I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today I'm gonna be going out and meeting a friend of mine and I'm really excited about that. And I thought of doing a get ready with me session with you guys. So let's get ready. Tanmay and I are good friends since our school days. It's fascinating how perspectives shift over time. बचपन में हमें बड़े होने की जल्दी थी and now that we are adults we often find ourselves nostalgic for the simplicity and carefree days of childhood, free from responsibilities and stress. Despite the passage of time and our busy lives, it's rare and special to reconnect with childhood friends. So, today we plan to catch up over lunch and then enjoy the People Mela, a local spring festival in Kullu, which runs from April 28 to 30th every year. लोगों को लगता है कि कुल्लू का जो दशहरा है बहुत फेमस है, बहुत पुराना है, बट जो पीपल मेला है वो उससे भी पहले से मनाया जाता है. It is said that centuries ago, जो कुल्लू के राजा थे, he would sit under the peepal tree and watch traditional dances with his courtiers. Even though the official celebration lasts for 3 days, the fairgrounds remain lively for a few days after, bustling with stalls selling a variety of items and numerous swings to enjoy. It promises to be a delightful day, reconnecting with old friends amid the festivities.
See the ocean, how it sways in the sun.
Bye, baby. Bye. I'll see you.